I had a neighbor friend of mine who she had a dog named Shadow, and Shadow was maybe 13, 14 years old, black Cocker Spaniel. And Poppy connected with Shadow and revealed things that knocked all of her socks off. It was mind-blowing. She connected with Shadow. Poppy always travels with a Bible. And connected with Shadow and revealed things that were still to this day mind-blowing. Shadow expressed his love for this woman, Sharon, and revealed pivotal aspects of Shadow and Sharon's life through Poppy as the conduit. Talked about how Shadow wanted to be buried in the backyard by the pond. And Poppy didn't even know that she had a pond. Described situations early in Shadow's life around being dressed up by Sharon's young daughter, and getting hamburgers on Shadow's birthday, and it was all spot on. I mean, Poppy stepped up to the plate and hit a home run. I mean, it was mind-blowing to me how accurate that she was in that situation.